we don't really test bikes. I think we've tested one, but Fiido asked me if I'd like to test their new gravel bike, the C21. And I used to have a gravel bike, so I thought, yeah, why not? We'll give it a test. We'll see what it can do, because where we live, it's hilly. This bike's slightly different from the other bikes because it's got a battery in the tube that can't come out, so you've got to charge it on the bike, basically. But they do an extra battery that will double the range. So let's get it built and let's get it up on the road. This bike also, you can, it has an app, a Fiido app, so you can download the app and you can basically control the bike from your app. Tighten this up and it's catching on these bolts, and I've just realised that when you pull this cap off, there's a sleeve ring, and it does say sleeve ring in the instructions, but it doesn't tell you where it is or what it looks like. So whatever you do, when you take it out, take that out of there, because that needs to go in here. Okay, so we've got this C21 all built. Let's take it out and see what it does. Brakes feel strong. Yep, 2-finger operation down a very, very steep hill. A thumb operation for going up your gears and down your gears. We'll go into Turbo Plus for up this hill. Right, so the Turbo Plus in it, down the gears. In first gear, this is a very steep hill. It's taking some effort, but I've got a good amount of effort behind it. Quite impressed with that. Quite impressed with that. I've changed down my mode now. I can feel a fair bit of kick on normal. I'm quite impressed with that. The seat's very comfortable. Riding position's good. And this bike only weighs 18 kg, that's with the mud guards on. I think it's 17.5 without. Now the thing we don't know about this is its range. It's got good range in urban environments, but not in an urban environment here. Now, I had a gravel bike a few years ago, so no suspension. Well, that's fine. I mean, it feels okay. Quite bumpy roads. It's very responsive. Is the motor, the hub motor. Very nippy out the bottom. I think because it's light as well, it feels just in sport mode. Wow. This feels a good, solid bike. Absolutely solid. Nice to ride, it's not skitty at front end. So we're running Tech Pro hydraulic brakes. Feels absolutely solid. You know, this is the test for a bike. You can ride it up and down a street all day long, but you need to get it out in open. And that's what we're doing. So, in the words of Slaw, let's go. This big seat is really comfortable. If anybody suffers from saddle issues, which I do on the other bike, even my mountain bike, this seat is really comfortable. Now, ninth gear is a very tall gear. You get some speed up in ninth. Riding position's fine, you can't adjust. The height of the front handlebars are non-adjustable, but what you can do, you can adjust the handlebar angle slightly, so you can bring it up a bit if you so wish. Right, let's see what this baby can do on the mud. It feels sturdy, plenty of grip. Now the other thing, because you've got the mud guards, for me that's a must. You've got to have the mud guards. But to say it's got no suspension, it's quite rugged. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. It just started buzzing and vibrating my watch. How do you stop your phone doing that? Just rung my wife and told her I've had a crash.
Oh dear.
Now my daughter's ringing me. I was like, hello? No, I haven't had an accident. I'm just on a bumpy road. halfway around. Halfway around my course. Still got 4 bars on the battery, so I've only dropped a bar. Done quite a bit of uphill. I know I've just come down a little bit, but done quite a bit of uphill. As you can see, it's you know, we're not riding round town here. We're not. And the bike's obviously taking a bit of a stick, as you can see, over these bumps, but he's held out. He's held out. Front headlamp on. So we've got a little bit of track work now, still down the lane. I'm back down home, but I'm well impressed. We've done 8k looking at it, 32k fastest, 8k we've done. So we've done about 5 miles, and if you think about the terrain and what I've been going through, then I think it's done really well. It's done really well to do. It's done really well to do 5 miles on one battery. We'll see what it's like when we get back. But for the money, and you'll see the price and the link in the description. For the money, wow! I've had nearly as much fun as I had on my £4,000 mountain bike. Let's put it that way. And this is a lot nimbler. A lot nimbler. Yeah. So thumbs up from Slaw. Let's hit the rest of the muddy track. I think one of the best words that I can say about this bike is that it does what it says on the tin. It says it's a gravel bike, and it is. You've just seen. You ain't going on more gravel than what I've just been on. And it's handle it with ease. Handle it with ease. Apart from me Garmin alarm going off saying I'd had a crash. Right, so that's no system. So I think in most places you'll be able to run on normal most of the time. If you're on the flat, you can run an eco, but I'm on turbo now and I'm flying. You know, and I'm going up a hill. Absolutely flying. Across the crossbar slopes down slightly. Can be my height. Just about, I mean just about, sit down. Get your feet, well not sit down, get your feet on the floor without doing yourself any major damage. Hello. Yes, you. Hi, Bruce. Not in turbo plus. She's doing it now. This is a steep hill. Getting the bit of thigh burn out now, but it's to be expected. And down to 2 batteries left. 2 things left on the battery. And I've done 12k, which I suppose if you're going to want to do a lot of distance, then what you might need is to do an extra battery to fix on here that doubles the range, so that might be a possibility. But what a good all-round bike. Can't knock it. Like I say, I think if I'd have just been riding down road, yeah. Well, I'm on 3 bars. That's really good. See the description below for a link to the site with a discount code. Would I recommend this bike? Yep, definitely would. For reasonably priced e-bike, if you're doing a little bit of track or dirt work, this won't bother. It'll do it, not a problem. If you're doing a little bit heavier, it'll do it, as I've just shown you. So, great piece of kit for the money, absolutely.